everyone, welcome to the Sandy Uke. Today you're going to learn the single note melody line for Aloha using tablature. So click on the link in the description below and download the music so that you can follow along. Also, if you need an ukulele, there's a link in the description below that will take you to Amazon where you can purchase the Makala Learn to Play Starter Kit. It comes with the soft gig bag with the little backpack straps and also has a follow-along manual to learn how to read the chords and strumming. If you don't know how to follow along that, you can click on the link in the description below, and I've done another video on how to read through that. All right, so it's in 4/4 time, so we're coming in on the pickup note of beat 4. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. This is a half note here, and 3 and 2. Half note here, 3, 4 and 1 and 2. Half note right here, 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. Now that's the end of the verse. You're coming into the chorus on beat 4, so you'll see a pickup note there. But if you're going to play just the chorus, you'd go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And go ahead and slide up and give it some vibrato. Same here with the 4, slide. Vibrato right here. Open, 2, 3, and slide to the 5, slide to the 4, slide, and that is the single note melody line for Aloha. If you would, please stop and subscribe to the Sandy Uke. Click on the bell so you get all of the notifications. Click on the link in the description below for the music to purchase ukuleles. There's also a link for the Makala Shark Ukulele, which I totally love because it has a shark on the bridge. And Baritone, if you'd like the bigger, deeper ukulele sound. Visit us at www.thesandyuke.com and please subscribe to our newsletter. That way you'll get information that way. We have t-shirts for sale there, bags, flip-flops, beach towels, whatever you would like as an ukulele player. So please go ahead and practice this. Let us know how you like this video.